Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides. This is a really useful feature if you want to save time creating slides. First, open up your Chrome browser and search for Google Slides. Once the results appear, click on the official Google Slides website. If you're not signed in already, log in with your Google account so you can access all your files and tools. After logging in, select a slide. After your slide opens, wait for a little while and you'll notice a Gemini AI icon appear on the right side of the screen. This is Google's AI assistant built into slides that helps you generate content, design ideas, and even speed up your workflow. With Gemini, you can ask it to create new slide content, rephrase your text, give design recommendations, or even help structure your entire presentation in just a few clicks. One important thing to note is that Gemini AI is not completely free. To unlock its full features and advanced capabilities, you'll need to be on a paid plan. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you've tried Gemini in Slides yet.